How to fix WhatsApp status not showing. If your WhatsApp status is not being shown to others, it might just be your privacy settings and you might want to change that. Now if you open up your WhatsApp and head into your status, you can see you can add in status here. However, to change the settings, what you want to do is tap on the three dots on the top right corner and head into settings. And here head into privacy, and under privacy you can see the option status. Tap on it and make sure it's on my contacts. Now if you set this to my contacts, then all your contacts that have your contacts on the device saved will be able to see your status. Now, one of the reasons might be that the other person or the other end hasn't saved your contact in the phone. If you have saved their contact on your phone, however they haven't saved it on their phone, then they won't be able to see your story and you can't do anything about that. All they need to do is save your contacts, so you might want to ask them to save your contact. However, if you are not being able to see someone else's status, then it might just be a glitch or a bug and you might want to reset the app. Now to do so, what you want to do is head into your phone settings, and on settings head into apps, and once on apps search in for WhatsApp, and then head into storage, and on storage at the bottom of the screen you can see the option clear data. Tap on clear data and it will ask you to delete the app's data, so you might want to delete it and then log into your account again and it will fix the issue. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.